Pan-Sear Tuna, a flavorful journey. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the culinary world to explore a popular cooking technique, pan-searing tuna. This method is not only simple but also incredibly effective in enhancing the flavor and texture of tuna. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, understanding how to pan-sear tuna will elevate your kitchen skills. So, let's get started. Pan-searing is a cooking method where food, in this case, tuna, is cooked in a hot pan with a small amount of oil. The goal is to form a crispy, golden brown crust on the surface while keeping the inside moist and tender. This technique is popular for its ability to lock in flavors and create an appealing texture contrast. Selecting the right tuna is crucial for pan-searing. You should look for fresh, high-quality tuna steaks that are at least 1 inch thick. Tuna comes in various types, like albacore, yellowfin, or bluefin, each offering a unique taste and texture. For pan-searing, ahi tuna, especially yellowfin, is a popular choice due to its firm texture and rich flavor. Before pan-searing, it's important to prepare the tuna properly. This involves patting the steaks dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture and seasoning them with salt and pepper. You can also add other seasonings or marinades based on your preference. Remember, the key is to keep it simple to let the natural flavor of the tuna shine. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Cooking the tuna. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a thin layer of oil. Once the oil is hot, place the tuna steaks in the pan. Sear each side for about 1 to 2 minutes for a rare center, or longer if you prefer your tuna more cooked through. The goal is to achieve a well-browned exterior without overcooking the inside. After pan-searing, let the tuna rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve it with sides like vegetables, rice, or a salad. You can also slice it for sushi or salads. Pan-seared tuna is incredibly versatile and pairs well with a variety of flavors and cuisines. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to cook tuna. Pan-searing is a fantastic method to enhance the natural flavors and texture of tuna, making it a favorite in many kitchens. I hope this video helps you in your cooking adventures. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.